Hi everyone, my name is Ines Kono. Um, Today I will be showing you guys how to measure your respiratory values at rest and during exercise. And for did I mention it in the beginning? But this is for those who are taking anatomy and physiology too, and or biology 240. So we are going to just focus on the title volume um, on your assistant report lab report assistant. There were on part one there is the measurement of your breath, and which I already have. I did it in a period like right before starting to record the title volume part. And for this video you will need, for this part you will need a balloon, you will need a measuring tape, you need a pen, of course a pen, a sheet of paper. I have here number 1 to 12 just because the different steps or stage you have to take for the purpose of the video are number, like the requirement or the description, number 1 to 12. And here you have 1 2 3. 1 2 3, they represent the number of trials you have to take to achieve this exercise. So oh yes, you also need a timer or a stopwatch. I'm using just my phone as my timer, and I'm going to just push the start key. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, so let's go start it. So again, I already have the number of breath recorded per each trial right there on the top, but this is for the from stage. We start number 5 for the title. So you have a balloon. It says to stretch it several times. Okay, it says blow it up once or twice to near its full capacity without breaking it in order to make it flexible. So let me just tell you guys, I have asthma, so every time that I used to go to the hospital to check myself, and they always tell me that I have a small lungs. I have a lung of a baby, of a toddler. So it's not my fault. So don't mind me if the balloon is not that big. Okay. I think this can make it. So you already have your balloon. I tried so hard. It took me like half an hour to exercise on how to blow. Okay. So it says to squeeze the balloon neck and twist it several times to prevent the air from leaking. And once you have it, I made it too tight. Once you have it secure, while still holding the neck already onto the neck of the balloon with one hand, hold the end of the flexible measuring tape with centimeter. This is inches, so I have to flip it. Okay, so the other side, the black side, is the centimeter. Yeah, is it? I think it is. Okay, it doesn't say. So if it's not inches, then it should be centimeter. So wrap it around the balloon at its widest part. I think the widest is kind of in the middle. So now we can go ahead and measure it. Okay, so at this widest part, I have 58. Can you see? 1, 2, 3. Yes, I measured 58. So we have 58 centimeter. So 58 will represent the circumference of the balloon in trial 1. Which one is it? 58? Yes. It says to repeat the same thing in trial 2, 3. So I'm gonna release the balloon. This exercise is just okay. So, alright. The second time I have 57. I'm gonna release it. Sorry for the sound. And record it third time. Whew, I just couldn't. It kept decreasing. So the third time I had 50. Is it 55 or 56? I have 55. Okay, so I have 55. All my 3 trials have been made, and now we just have to calculate and record the average circumference for the three trials. And to do that, same thing as we did, as you're going to do for the first, you will additionate all 3 of them and divide it by 3. So once you have the circumference number with you, we are going to go ahead and calculate the average radius. And the formula of the average radius is simply the circumference divided by 2. How do they call it again? In French we call it P, but here it's like pi. Well, let me just show you the formula. So this is the formula. And just for the purpose of the video, I will figure it out and record it before ending. So you have 58 plus 57 plus 56, 55. Okay, now divided by 3. Divided by 3, you have a circumference equal to 133.3333. Pi, this little sign, has a value of 3.14, if I'm not wrong. So you will multiply the 2.14 times 2, and the amount that you're going to get, let's just do it. So 3.14 times 2, 3.14 times 2 is 628. And so 133.33 divided by 6.28, you have 21.23. This will be your average radius. 21, 22 bill average wages. And now you can go ahead and calculate the average volume of the balloon. And the formula for this will be 4 pi times the radius second degree divided by 3. So this is the formula of the volume, the average volume that you're supposed to use. So anyways, I don't think I was supposed to make the calculation for you guys, but just to show you the different steps that you have to take and how to make those trials. I hope it helped. Thank you so much for watching me, and you have a good afternoon or day or night. Thank you.